mo? Oh, sino? Joyce! Oh, Joyce! Baka naman pagbigyan mo ang ating telepono. Sige. Okay. Joyce, papalaw lang. Maganda boses itong sasamahan mo, ha? Okay. Sino sa inyo ang kukuha ng mataas na parts? Ikaw na yun, di ba? Mag-rap ka na lang, babe, ha? Rap ka na lang. Ano gagawin mo? So, ikaw na lang yung stand. Hawakan mo na lang. Ano ka? Anong role mo dito? Anong role mo? Ikaw na lang sinigin mo na siya. Sa una ka? Oh, wow. Binamon mo talaga to. Sige, sa pamahon na, Michelle eh. Sige mo sa kanya. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we have with us tonight our power duo. Ang aming Jessie James. Ariana Grenade. Kung sino man sa kanila, Mickey Mouse. Mali, isa pa. Hindi maganda pasok, ganda ng intro ko eh. Oo, papasukan mo ko ng ganon. Isa pa, music. Hey! Hey! Oh! Ay! Laban! Sorry! Hey! Let's look at the stage. Ladies and gentlemen, Mickey Mouse! Let's fix this kind of space in the balance, get it all balance. Swimming on my way, swimming on my way, swimming on the bottom. Go! It's so good, it's living on board in the car that it gets me good. Go! Ano na? Quickly becoming a prominent. It's me, Jessie, and Johnny. Good day, Jessie, and sorry. And the husband in a party, and put a man just Ferrari. If we hanging, we banging. Won't rain, it's banging. If they carry low, it might forget the mic or some singing. To the N, to the G, to the... Oh, wow. Saan, dito, mo. Salamat. Ay, kung sa partiyan